In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate your position size and account balance effectively. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, understanding how to manage your position size and account balance is crucial for maintaining a healthy trading strategy. First, we'll begin by creating a long position or a short position drawing. This step is essential because it sets the framework for the calculations we'll be performing. Depending on your trading platform, this might be done by selecting the appropriate tool from a toolbar or menu. It helps you visualize your trade setup directly on the chart, which is crucial for planning your entry and exit points. Once you've set up your long or short position, it's time to dive into the properties dialog of the instrument. Now, here's where the magic happens. You'll need to enter your initial account size into this dialog. This is the total amount you have available for trading. Alongside this, you'll also input your risk amount. This is an important figure as it dictates how much of your account you are willing to risk on a single trade. You can specify this risk as either an absolute number, say in dollars, or as a percentage of your account size. For example, you might choose to risk 1% of your total account per trade. Selecting the right risk amount is key to managing your overall exposure and should be aligned with your personal risk tolerance. If your platform allows, you can also specify the lot size here. This represents the number of units you wish to trade and can affect the total value of your trade. After you've carefully filled in these details, click OK to accept them. It's a small action, but ensure you double-check your inputs before moving on, as any error here can skew your position size or risk calculations. Now that we've configured the setup, let's see how this plays out when you close your positions. The drawing tool tags come into play at this point. They will display your position size, which is a crucial piece of information as it dictates how much of the financial instrument you are trading. Furthermore, these tags will help you visualize your account balance when your positions are closed. This happens once your trade reaches either the take profit level or the stop loss level, both of which are critical components in managing your trades effectively. The take profit level is where you decide to lock in profits when the market moves in your favor, while the stop loss level is designed to prevent excessive losses by closing the trade if the market moves against you. By understanding and applying these techniques, you'll be equipped to manage your risk and optimize your trading performance. I hope this guide provides clarity and confidence as you navigate through your trading journey.